Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to drill a hole. So this is the pedestal drill. Before you use it you need to have had the instruction from the teacher, the safety instruction, and then completed the on-guard safety. You need to examine the plan and choose the correct size Forstner bit to drill your hole. And we need to have marked out our legs and centre punched where the hole is going to go. And it's important that you drill the hole before you do any cutting of that leg. We'll tighten that in there, put that in the chuck. Use the chuck key to tighten the chuck. You'll need to have your safety glasses and your hairnet to use this machine. And the Forstner bit has a tiny little point at the bottom, so we need to line that point with our centre mark. So before we turn it on, we wind down, centre it, then you're going to twist your timber. So use your left hand, right hand on the handle, left hand twist so it contacts the block here. Now hold it still with your left hand and let your right hand go. Use your right hand to start the machine. The whole time you're not moving your left hand. And we'll wind that down and just double check, bend down, have a look to make sure that that centre point is going to hit your centre mark and start winding it in. And you should be able to wind fairly quickly. There you go, we're through. And up. Press stop. Wait for things to stop before you move your timber away and brush your shavings away. That's our end result.